Hello friends, how are you today? I am also fine. Welcome to a new video from Anamika's Lifestyle. In this hot summer, I suggested you for all my friends that give the birds some food and water. Trust me guys, it is full relaxing view. It is wonderful view because in this summer birds cannot bring water from anywhere. We should help them. All our ponds are going to dry in this season. So it is very difficult to find water for the birds. Okay friends, see you in next video. Till then keep safe and healthy and drink